Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is right click new item, select adjustment layer, and now just drag and drop this adjustment layer. Now you can hold, let's actually hold option and zoom in a little bit. You can also do it from here. And in here, what we're gonna do, basically just hold option and drag up. You're gonna create a new copy. And then here for the first one right over here, first adjustment layer, select the first adjustment layer, go to effects, look here for replicate, and drag and drop this here, or you can also just select it and just double click. Now here type 3 for replicate, and then here from here just look for another effect, mirror, and just select now still the same and double click, and you're gonna need to add this 4 times. 1, 3, and 4. And now what we basically gonna have to do is first one here, we're gonna need to enter here 19, and then just make sure you position so it looks like this, something like this, so we don't have, so it looks like mirror. Okay, and now for the second one here, we're gonna enter minus 900, and still again I'm gonna move like this. Okay, actually I'm gonna drag so we get this effect. And now from the other side, from here, but first let's enter 180, and then just drag from this side. Okay, and now from this side as well. Okay, perfect. And now we're gonna select the second adjustment layer. We're gonna go here to effects, right transform, and here we're gonna zoom in. Make sure is okay, so zoom in around here about 300 or something. And then here for shutter angle, enter about 80 to 180, and you're gonna see why. And here, right, move it right here, and then go about 10 seconds, and sorry, 10 frames around like that, and then uncheck this, add a keyframe for rotation. Let's go another 10, and then here increase this to 360, and this is what we have, right? But you can increase the shutter angle even more if you want to, 360. And also let's highlight here, so make this look even better. Right click, is in, is out, and then let's expand here a little bit so we can have more room to work with this. Move the playhead right over here in the middle, and then just drag these handles like this. Perfect. And now this is what we have. Okay, and if you want, you can also move the keyframes a little bit, maybe, if it's too slow, you can move the keyframes closer to each other, like this. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.